Now, I am going to start video. First, open your Blender application and press Shift-A and go to Mesh and select Cube.
Press N
and increase the value of cube how you want. It's only a room, so I make a little cube. So we have a cube. Let's go inside of cube. It's not perfect, but I will fix it later. So we need a door. So I'm going to edit mode.
And out of the cube.
And right-click and subdivide. I would like just 10. And go to loop cut. And loop of their middle. And simply go to inside of cube. And select the face mode. And select the faces where you want the door at there. And press E and extrude the faces outside.
Like that.
And delete the faces. Boom, we have the door. And I need window right there. So I would like select the faces. And extrude the faces like the door. And delete the faces. So I need one more window right there. So I have 2 windows. And we have door windows. And I need many things, so let's go to the next another part.
Bye.